Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel CarCraze USA. If you're a car enthusiast or just a fan of high-performance machines, you're in for a treat today. We're diving into the latest masterpiece from Novitec, the Ferrari 296 GTB, which has been transformed into an even more incredible beast. Say hello to the Novitec Ferrari 296 N-Largo. This car isn't just about aesthetics, though trust me, it looks stunning, but it's also about performance. So let's break down everything that makes this machine a real standout. First up, let's talk about the look of the N-Largo. If you've been following Novitec's work, you know they've got a knack for turning beautiful cars into even more jaw-dropping creations. The 296 N-Largo is no exception. This beauty has been given a major makeover, starting with its wider stance. The front fenders are now 2.4 inches, 60 millimeters wider, and the rear fenders have grown by 4.7 inches, or 120 millimeters. This isn't just for show. It helps with stability and handling. Novitec didn't stop at just widening the car. They've added a sleek front lip spoiler with an exposed carbon finish. This is not only a stylish touch, but also helps increase stability at high speeds. And speaking of high speeds, the rear of the N-Largo has a new trunk lid spoiler with integrated air ducts that improve airflow. You can also opt for a Novitec exposed carbon rear wing if you're looking to take your car's style up a notch. One of the standout features of the N-Largo is its new wheels, developed in collaboration with Vossen. The NF11NL set includes 21-inch wheels at the front and 22-inch wheels at the rear, wrapped in 255/30 and 335/25 tires, respectively. They're not just for looks. They also come with sport springs that lower the car by 1.4 inches or 35 millimeters. And if you need a bit more clearance, the optional nose lift system can raise the front end by 1.6 inches or 40 millimeters at the push of a button. It even automatically reverts back to its original height when you hit 50 miles per hour or 80 kilometers per hour. Now, let's get to the performance upgrades. Novitec has installed a brand new exhaust system and high-flow turbo inlets, along with 100-cell metal catalysts. These modifications push the Ferrari 296 GTB's output to a staggering 855 horsepower, 38 more than the standard model. The stock 296 GTB already boasts a 3.0 LV6 engine that revs up to 8,500 RPM, producing 654 horsepower. Add in the electric motor's 165 horsepower, and you've got a combined output of 818 horsepower and 546 pound-feet of torque. While Novitec hasn't released specific acceleration numbers for the N-Largo, we can expect it to be a hair faster than the standard model. Just to give you a frame of reference, the stock Ferrari 296 GTB does 0 to 62 miles per hour in 2.9 seconds and 0 to 124 miles per hour in 7.3 seconds, with a top speed of over 205 miles per hour, 330 kilometers per hour. And it's not just the exterior and performance that's been enhanced. The interior of the N-Largo also offers exclusive appointments and extensive personalization options. From upholstery designs to colors, you can truly make this Ferrari your own. But as you might expect, all these upgrades come with a hefty price tag. If you're curious about how much this transformation costs, drop us a comment below. We'd love to hear from you. That's it for today's deep dive into the Novitec Ferrari 296 N-Largo. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and make sure to subscribe to the channel for more content like this. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.